Hello everybody, good day. This is SJ Madhavan talking to you. This is about changes in motor vehicle rules in India. The traffic system in India goes high and high with manifold increase in population. The usage of IT services and electronic monitoring came handy for the government in forcing traffic rules. This system will also withdraw harassment of drivers and makes it easier for citizens' movement. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways issued notifications affecting various amendments applicable from 1st October 2020. Physical verification of documents will not be demanded. Disqualifying the driver license and cancellation by the licensing authority gets recorded and updated in the portal on a regular basis. When documents proved valid through electronic means, physical documents will not be demanded even if an offence is notified. The licensing authorities will disqualify driving license and record chronologically in the portal, which will be reflected on regular basis. At the same time, the driver behavior will also be watched. When demand or inspection of documents being carried out by the police officers in uniform, the activity will be recorded on the portal. As a result, unnecessary checking, inspection of vehicles and harassment to drivers would not take place. The drivers are supposed to maintain vehicular documents on central government online portal like DigiLocker and M-Parivahan. The new rules insist upon handheld communication devices while driving can only be used for route navigation, which results in not disturbing the concentration of the driver while driving. The government made certain amendments in Motor Vehicle Regulations 2017 Act to facilitate handheld device and inspection of documents in electronic form. If you like these postings, please share it to your friends and relatives, click the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you.